Good or bad, no matter how you see it, Samsung isn't giving up on its chipset game that easily. While the company hasn't been the best at making chips, it's still planning to bring back what it skipped in the Galaxy S25 series. Yes, Samsung isn't giving up on its Exynos chips, no matter how people feel about them. This year, the Galaxy S25 series relied entirely on the Snapdragon 8 Elite, but for the Galaxy S26 lineup in 2026, reports suggest Samsung may shift its focus back to Exynos. According to leaker Exynos Rev on X, formerly known as Twitter, the Exynos 2600 is making a return and will be used in the Galaxy S26. However, Samsung is reportedly dealing with limited chip availability, a situation similar to what happened with the Exynos 990. In the past, Samsung used the Exynos 990 in the international versions of the Galaxy S20 and Note 20, while regions like the US, China, and Canada got Qualcomm processors. If the supply issues are accurate, Samsung might still release a significant number of Exynos-powered S26 models. By the way, what's your take on the Samsung Exynos chipset? Do you think it's on par with Qualcomm processors? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more early tech updates. The shortage of Exynos 2600 chips is likely due to production challenges with Samsung's foundry and its 2nm process. This means that while the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus may get the Exynos chip, the S26 Ultra could stick with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Earlier, rumors about the Galaxy S25 chipset were all over the place, with speculation that Samsung was working hard to improve Exynos 2500 production to use it in its 2025 flagships. However, it never happened, as Samsung ended up equipping all models with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Interestingly, leaks suggest Samsung still has plans for the Exynos 2500, possibly using it in the budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip FE, just like it did last year when the Galaxy S24 FE launched with the Exynos 2400. Given that Samsung's high-end Exynos chips generally fall short of Qualcomm's in both power and efficiency, the company might be better off limiting them to its FE lineup, rather than putting them in its premium flagship devices. Furthermore, according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature an upgraded camera system. Samsung isn't cutting down on the number of sensors, but is instead focusing on delivering a more advanced setup for even better mobile photography. Samsung is making progress on its 2nm chip while also refining the 3nm Exynos 2500. The success of its first 2nm mobile processor will play a crucial role in shaping the company's future in the chipset market. With the Galaxy S26 series still a long way from launch, it's best to take this information with caution, as hardware details tend to become more reliable closer to the end of the year. What are your thoughts about these latest developments? Let us know in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.